guys, so this is still a makeup video, but I just want to let you guys know that I lost a bunch of footage of multiple makeup looks. I'm very frustrated about it, but I like can't even talk at this point. But I lost a bunch of footage of multiple makeup looks, and now I only have one video that I can edit to put up, which is this one that you guys are watching. So I am gonna have to take a break for a couple of days, maybe a few days. This is gonna be the last video for a little bit until I can film some more again. I have a lot of things going on right now, and now I'm frustrated because I was feeling really down, and then I felt okay again, and now I'm feeling down again because I just lost a bunch of footage that I worked really hard on and spent a lot of time on. So yeah, I said some stuff in the beginning of this video that you guys are going to see in a minute that really meant a lot to me. And let's just get into the video, alright? Hey guys, it's Zia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. Hello, my name is Zia, and this is where... This is my little YouTube channel where I do a little bit of everything, and today we're continuing our 31 days of Halloween. Yesterday, I was highly just like feeling like I wanted to stop this because I'm really exhausted. I just have a lot of things going on, and I felt like I just didn't want to keep going with it. But right after I talked to my husband about it, and he was like, why don't you take a break for a couple days, I went on my phone, and there was I wasn't even expecting to talk about this right now, but there was a notification from Instagram, and one of my followers, her name is Kristen Nicole. She's really sweet. She's a fairly new subscriber too, I believe, and she recreated the skull that I made a couple of days ago, and it just made me so happy that somebody actually recreated one of my looks, and she did a great job, and I loved it, and it gave me that little extra push to like keep going with this. They're not getting like a huge amount of views or anything, but it is something that I said I was going to do, and so I'm sticking with it as long as I can. Also, I have pink hair. Hi. Not a wig. This is my hair. And I was also planning on doing Beetlejuice, and I realized that my blonde hair would have been great for that. Next time you see me, I'm going to have foundation and everything on, because y'all don't got to see that. You know how to put on foundation, and if you don't, it's okay. You're not going to learn it from this video, but you'll learn it in another one. I have a whole playlist of makeup looks. Go check it out. Alright, now I'm going to stop talking, and we are going to start the voiceover. Alright guys, so as you can see, my base is pretty much done. I have foundation, concealer, setting powder, and all of that on. And now I'm going to move on to my brows. And the first thing I'm going to do is brush them out. I could have covered them with glue and had them completely gone, but I wanted to keep my brow hairs showing. That was just a personal preference. You could always cover them up completely. Here I'm priming them with eyeshadow base, and that's because I'm going to cover them with a bright colored eyeshadow. So I was trying to get it to stick well and have good pigmentation. And to cover my brows, I'm using the Alice Through Looking Glass eyeshadow palette from Urban Decay, and I'm using the color Cake. I'm just covering my whole brow in cake. I'm caking my brows with cake. That's literally it. Filling the whole thing and shaping them with this bright pink, hot pink eyeshadow. I actually really like how it turned out, even though you can still see my natural brow. Next, I'm going to contour with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I'm using the light shade because medium is like totally completely gone, and it's really hard to get any color out of there. And I'm using the deep contour shade on my chin, on my double chin, because it's there. And I'm using a mixture of light and deep on my forehead, and trying to blend it out as well as I can. Next, I'm going to go into my Tarte color wheel, and I'm going to take the color Icon, and I'm going to apply this over my bronzer that I have on my cheeks. I'm applying it right over that, not exactly where I would put my blush, but I'm just warming up the contoured areas with the blush shade that I'm using. I'm just not going to add it to the lower chin area. And I'm also going to use some of my setting powder to cut. Now I'm applying the same eyeshadow primer as I used on my brows, and I'm also setting that with more setting powder. Next, I'm going to contour the nose. I'm going to contour it very differently. I decided to use a blush shade. This is the color Ironic, also from my Tarte Color Wheel. Did I say color weird? Color Wheel. And I'm contouring just as I normally would, but I'm dragging the contour into the eyebrow, basically. I never go that high. I also added some setting powder down the bridge of my nose just to make it look sharper. Now I'm taking the same eyeshadow color that I've been using and I'm applying it inside the crease and really high on my brow bone. Still leaving space for highlight later though. Next, I'm going to take the color Gone Mad. It's a really deep purple. I'm going to apply that all over my lid. This really wasn't necessary because I end up going over this color with liner and with glitter later. So I could have just left Cake on there on its own and covered the whole eye with that and it would have worked just fine. Now before I add glitter, I need to apply glitter primer. This one is from NYX. Once I have that applied, I'm going to apply this glitter eyeshadow that I got from Amazon. It works pretty well, but I do wish that the colors were a little bit more holographic because it's a little too one-toned, if you see what I mean. Now I'm just adding eyeliner. I left an open space with the glitter for the liner because I totally forgot to put liner on before I did the glitter, and then I ended up adding more glitter to fill the gaps. Now I'm just adding some color to the under eye area, still using the color Cake. I used a lot of Cake. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with this gel eyeliner pencil. This one's from Ulta, but I really prefer the Wet n Wild one. I have to order more of those because I'm all out. I really love how the eyes came out in this look. It's just really super bright and obnoxious looking, and I love it. Next, I'm going into the Nightmare Before Christmas palette. I got this from Hot Topic. It's It's okay. At first I thought it was pretty good, and then I didn't like it anymore. But it does come in handy when I need a white eyeshadow. So I added the color Bone Daddy into the inner corners, and then I went over it with some Merry Luminizer. And now I am adding the inner corner liner. This is to make the eyes look a little bit more cat-like, just bringing in the corners a bit and angling it down. You could be even more exaggerated with this, but I kept it really small. Next, I took my CC Beauty paint palette and added some white. I thought it would make it pop, and I don't know, it's not really that necessary. I like it, but I don't know if it really added very much interest to the look. Also, you could use white eyeliner for that. I just didn't have any white liquid liner. I really need some because I'm all out. Next, I'm going over the nose with some black gel liner, just outlining the nose area. Then I'm packing some black eyeshadow on there before I go over the nose with some more glitter primer and adding glitter to the tip of my nose. I thought that would be a really cool way to integrate the nose with the eyes and kind of tie it together. After seeing all this pink on my face, I want to do a bunny, but now I'm worried that the bunny is going to look exactly like the Cheshire cat. Adding the line down my Cupid's bow. And now I'm drawing out the mouth with liquid liner first. I find the mouth a little difficult for me to do because I do have a very chubby face. And so whenever I move my face, like the shape of it like constantly changes. And as you can see, I have those little lines on each side of my mouth, which kind of makes it difficult to draw a solid shape. But I tried my best, and a whole clip of footage got ruined. First I lose a bunch, and then one gets, what's the word? It's not compromised, corrupted. It got corrupted. Wonderful. But I used the same white paint that I used on my eyes for the teeth, and this would also be better, I believe, with white eyeliner, because it would just be a lot easier and it would dry better and you won't have to go over it with powder. Then I added some falsies. I don't remember where I got these. They're not that great anyway because they don't feel that good. What are they called? The band is really thick and extremely uncomfortable, so I do not recommend these lashes. They look pretty, but they feel terrible. Now I'm highlighting again. I'm highlighting the inner corners, my brow bone, down the center of my nose, and I'm also going to highlight my cheeks, my cheekbones. You can't see bones because I have a chubby face, but they're there. Cheekbones are there. And now I thought I was done. I even went and like started drinking coffee and stuff, didn't care about getting my makeup all over the cup. Then I realized, oh my gosh, I forgot the whiskers. So I came back and started putting whiskers on my face to complete the look. My teeth were all messed up now. I even tried to fix my teeth, but I kept on making it worse. So definitely use white eyeliner for this. It's just going to make your life 100 times easier, and your teeth are going to look great if you use white eyeliner to draw your Cheshire cat. Anyway, that is everything. I really liked doing the color on my brows. I had a lot of fun with that. And all the glitter. I love glitter. I used to really hate glitter, but now I love glitter. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you've not already. Like I said earlier on in the video, I am going to be gone for a few days, but I will be back, hopefully rejuvenated and ready to make some more videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.